First rates, and they are encouraging rates considering the kind of global cues we are working with. 9 points up for the Nifty, which some would argue is not a bad outcome. What about the Sensex? And the first rates on the Sensex are a flat rate, 30 points up for the Sensex. The small cap index is up by about 0.5%. The small cap index in the month of April is up by about 8% already. What about the individual stocks? And I'll simply go through the individual names in no particular order. Ultratech 18 rupees up, Infosys 12 rupees up, State Bank of India is off to a decent start, 10 rupees up, Dr. Reddy's up 8 rupees, and Axis Bank, even though the FI limit there is almost on the brink of completion, is off to a decent start. Tata Steel down by about 2 rupees, Tech Mahindra down by 1 rupee, ITC at 340 rupees. So if I map the initial set of movers, at least which are part of the Nifty 50, we don't have any bright fireworks. It's difficult to pick up a trend, but generally, directionally speaking, there are more buyers than sellers. Considering the kind of global cues we are working with, that's a great news for a bull.
Bharti, Sestala, JSPL, all of these would be declaring their earnings today. Also watch out for what Dabur does. After Unilever's muted volume growth yesterday, would be interesting to see whether or not this is a trend with the entire FMCG sector or not. Some important other earnings as well. So CIAT, TVS Motors, ING Vesta Bank, you've got Federal Bank, IFCI, Hexaware, and these have all been pretty active off late. So watch out for all of these names in trade. You've also got SKS Microfinance, which has really come up with bumper earnings this time around. SKS Micro has shot up all the way to that 5% gain mark. And now it seems that M&M's Mohali facility has been facing labor issues. Let's see what M&M is up to undeterred. A little, or rather marginally higher, I should say, holding up by about 0.2% or so. Gujarat Gas, meantime, has got Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board, or PNGRB, nod for city distribution till March 2024. And Gujarat Gas is holding up very smartly in trade by about almost 4% or so. So good going for this particular name. Besides that, earnings reactions for Idea, KPIT Technologies, SKS, like I just pointed out, Wyatt, you've also got Paris Sugar, Noida Toll Bridge, etc., which would be seeing some earnings reactions coming in.